What's up, guys? Lucid is down yet again. Right now, the stock is trading at $29.11, down $4 on the day, down 12%, guys. So, I mean, if you bought puts, then I'm pretty sure you are pretty happy right now, right, guys? My covered calls that I sold on Lucid are up a ton right now. So I'm just looking for a reversal, right? So then I can buy those calls back for a profit. But let's take a look at the chart real quick, guys. So volume is it's not that great. 33.8 million. Oh, sorry, that's on the high. That's on the high. Volume is at 46.3 million. The average is 78. Let's take a look here, guys. So the chart, as you guys can see, this thing is still it broke our support of 26.55, and then it's still heading downward. So look for this stock, guys, to see if it can get support at 28.60, right? If it can't catch itself at 28.60, then we could be headed lower, guys. Maybe even into the mid 20s, right? We'd have some support around like 26. Below that, we'd have some support around 25. Below that, the psychological level of 24. But it's still in this downtrend, right? It still hasn't shown us that it wants to reverse. It hasn't broken above our downtrend line. So for me, I'm just waiting for it to see if it can break above this downtrend line. If we can get a full candle to close above this downtrend line, then we'll know that it's, pushing for a reversal, right? And it could very well, when it does finally, when the bulls decide to come out and play, and it does decide to close above our downtrend line, right? This thing can it can very easily come back and back test the downtrend line again, and that just kind of gives it confirmation that it wants to make a reversal, right? But for right now, it's still looking bearish. It's trading, still continuing this downtrend. So in my very humble opinion, I think this thing will still continue to go down for a little bit and then possibly find some support, right? It's trading well below all of the moving averages, the 20-day, 50-day, and 100-day. So, and that would be the time for Lucid to kind of bounce back, right? I mean, but it's down today, and I'm assuming it's most likely going to be because of like this top news article right here says Lucid plummets in sympathy with Tesla. So, Tesla had earnings, and it beat earnings, but people are reacting negatively to it, right? People are reacting negatively to it. So let's take a look at Tesla real quick, guys. So yeah, as you can see, Tesla is down today. It is down to 857. That's what it's trading at right now. It is down $79, guys. Down 8.4% right now. So yeah, let's see. Look for Tesla to catch itself. Maybe get some support around this 852, 855 range, right? Yeah, 856. If it can get support there, then it might, make a little bit of a bounce back up. If not, this thing still has some room to drop. Obviously, it still can drop down to around this. Let me see. What would be the next support? Maybe like even to the 600, maybe the 700, 600s. All right, let's see. Yeah, definitely. Like 780, it could drop down to support around 780, 784. So it has some room to go down if it were to go down. And you know, like I said in my other video, I hate it when people say, "Oh, you know, Lucid is in a sympathy play to Tesla." But I mean, today it appears that way, right? Tesla's down, and now Lucid is taking a kind of a bit of a beating. But you know, I don't really like to trade like that. You know, I just kind of like to look at the technicals, right? And for me, as long as if the stock continues in this downtrend and it can't break above this downtrend line, then that's mostly what I'm looking at. I'm just looking for a reversal, right? So sometimes it'll be a catalyst that'll do it, and sometimes it'll just be the bull stepping back in saying, hey, you know, right now is a good time to buy, right? So we shall see. Just wanted to make a quick little video because I woke up and I looked at the market and I was like, wow. But it was expected, guys. So I do think Lucid can make can bounce back right around this $28-29 level. But you know, we'll see, right? You know, if enough people get to selling, it creates enough selling pressure that it could break below this support of 28.97 and head a little lower. So nothing but dead buying opportunities right now, guys. If you liked it at, you know, when it was at $54, I mean, what are you waiting for to buy now at 28, right? I mean, if you're scared that it'll drop more, then, you know, what I do is I buy in threes, right? I'll buy now, buy here if it drops down there, and then buy here if it drops down there. Not saying that it will, but anything can happen, right? Yeah, but that's pretty much all I got for you guys right now. I just wanted to kind of pop in on Lucid, see how it's doing, and give you guys a little bit of an update. But yeah, everything kind of still looks the same, still in this downtrend, and still looking for it to make a reversal. But that's kind of the same deal with the whole stock market right now, right, guys? If we look at the SPY is kind of doing the same things. Still kind of in this downtrend, right? So we are looking for the SPY to make a reversal, and the SPY kind of did break out of that downtrend. So we'll see if it comes back and back test it, and then if it can continue upward. And if it can continue upward, then that'll be a good indicator, right? I know that Jerome Powell came out and said that they're not going to be raising, the Fed won't be raising interest rates until March. So that's a good thing. But we shall see, guys. Sorry about my dog, Luna, the Lucid dog. It's going crazy over here. But until next time, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.